Welcome to Siblish. Lesson 3 Phonics T sound.
One bright morning, Mom sat on the mat with her children, Hamdaan and Raania. "Let's warm up our brains," Mom said with a smile. "Do you remember the sounds we learned before?" Mom held up a flashcard. "When you see the sound, say it together." She showed the sound.
S,
said Hamdaan and Raania happily. Next, Mom showed the sound.
A,
They said together. "Well done," Mom clapped. "Are you ready to learn a new sound today?" "Yes," the children shouted excitedly. Mom then showed some pictures. Tree, train, added Hamdan. Mum showed more pictures, tea and table. All these words start with the same sound, Mum explained. She showed them the sound card. "Our new sound is T.
T,
Can you think of other words?"
T,
Mum asked. "Toys," said Raania. "Tap," said Hamdan. They thought of many more tit words together. "Great thinking." Mum smiled. "Now let's write it in the air." She showed them how. Put your hand up, go down, then add a sleepy line in the middle. Hamdan and Raania wrote in the air, moving their fingers carefully. Then they went to the sand tray and
T,
smiling as the letters appeared. "Well done, my little learners," Mom said proudly. "You did an amazing job today."
Vocabulary. S, S, A, A, T, T, tree, table, truck, toy, train, 10, toe, tongue, tomato, turtle, tap, tent. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Siblish.